Okay, welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn about the introductions of separation of substances. So listen it and look at it carefully and try to comprehend what I have explained in this video. Okay, separation of substances. Let's see the definition. A method that converts a mixture or solution of chemical substances into two or more distinct products is a separation of substances. From the definition, we know that a mixture or a solution of chemical substances, the method of separations of mixture or solution of chemical substances is called separations of substances. From the diagram, you can see that separating tea leaf with a strainer. Okay, you are preparing a tea in a kettle. Water and tea leaves are mixed. And when you are going to pour out at the cup, you have to separate the tea leaf. So you are using a strainer to separate the tea leaves. From the diagram, you can see that tea leaves are separated with a strainer. That is the separation of a substances. We shall go to method of separations. Hand picking. It can be used for separating slightly larger size impurities like the piece of dirt, stone, and husk from wheat, rice, or pulses. Okay. Hand picking method, you can practice this method, you can practice it at home also. In your rice or pulses, there may be impurities like stone or dirt or husk. So you can just pick it out and throw it away from the rice. They are the impurities. Stone are the impurities which is contaminated the rice. That method is called hand picking. So we shall go through this winnowing. The process of separating heavier and lighter component of a mixture by wind or by blowing air is called winnowing. Okay, this also you can see it from the picture again. The heavier components fall down at the ground. The lighter components blow away by the winds. You can see it. That is a winnowing. The lighter component and the heavier components are separated with this method. You can see it here. We shall explain in details in a class again. So we shall go to next slide. Sieving. Okay. Sieving, it is defined as a method in which two or more components of different size are separated from a mixture on the basis of the difference in their size. Okay, from the picture you can see that pebbles and stones are removed from sand by sieving. Okay, here you can see that stones and pebbles are removed from the sand. From the diagram you can see it here. It is like a strainer, let us say like a strainer. Only the smaller parts are flowing, the sand are flowing down, and stones and pebbles stay at this filter. So they are separated. Pebbles and stone are separated. That type is called sieving. Okay, we shall go to next slide again. Okay, sedimentation. When the heavier component is a mixture in a mixture settles after to it, the process is called sedimentation. Mixture, the heavier component and lighter component are mixed and take a cup from the diagram. At the cup, put it that mixture and add the water. Add the water at the mixture. So the heavier components will fall down at the bottom of the cup, and water and lighter components will be the lighter component will be floating at the water. So you can separate it by this method. It's called sedimentation. So at next slide, this method will be explained in details. Decentation. When the water along with the dust is removed, the process is called decentation. So at the first slide, we see that sedimentation. We know about sedimentation, and now decentation. And the picture here is given the same. The first picture is about sedimentation. The heavier components are falling down at the bottoms of the cup, and the lighter components are floating at the top of water. So, let's see it here. Water lighter components are taken out in another cup, and only the heavier particles stay at the bottoms of that process is called decentation. Okay, we shall discuss, or we shall have an explanation in details in class again. So, as you see this, your assignment will be given to you in PDF or JPEG file format through class WhatsApp. So you have to look at your check your WhatsApp class WhatsApp group, and your assignment in the science will be given to you in PDF or JPEG format. Thank you.